Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover, and this is our very first week of doing the spinning wheel for friends picking what we're going to work on. So how this works is just let me know you want to be on the wheel. That's all it takes. I put your name on the wheel. And then once a month, we're going to spin this wheel, and whoever it lands on, that person is going to choose the project I'm going to work on for a week. You will have your option of picking crochet, knit, or stitching. And of course, stitching is cross stitch, tapestry, needlepoint, all that stuff. You will have your option of having me spin the wheel for an already existing project, or you just tell me, I remember seeing this on your WIP video and I want you to work on that project. And once in a while, we'll be able to do a new project depending on, and I don't want to make it too strict. I want to say 2 projects, you have to finish 2 projects, start a new one, because y'all know that's not going to happen. But I do want to have projects finished before I start new things. So you may or may not be able to pick a new project. Let's just say I spin the wheel and your name comes up. So I will contact you and I'll say, hey, do you want me to do knit, crochet, or stitching? And you say stitching. I go, awesome. These are my existing projects. Or do we want to spin the wheel for a new project? If you happen to know one of the projects that I've got languishing in the new project pile, you can say, I want you to work on that one. Or we can just spin the wheel and come up with it. And that's it. Then whatever appears, if it's a WIP, we're going to work on that WIP for the week. If we get a new project, we'll work on that new project that week. And I will be working on that project for at least 7 hours for that week. And then the next week I'll come back and I'll show you the progress we made. It's going to be fun to see how far we can get on different things with a week's worth of time. So that's how this whole thing works. So let's get started. And we will do our very first wheel spin. Okay, now I know that sometimes this thing, it's one of those free things. So once in a while the shows comes up with a commercial. So let's hope we can do this without getting a commercial first. And our very first friend spin is Miss Pinky Jean. Awesome. So I'm going to contact Miss Pinky Jean and see what she wants me to work on for the week. Thank you guys so much. I will do the second half of this video and you will see what she picked. And we're back. We got a hold of Miss Pinky. And by the way, make sure you pop down and look in the description box. There's going to be a link to her videos in there. She makes lots of wonderful videos, and I'd love it if you'd go check her channel out. So she picked the knits. Yep, wanted to make sure I had the right one up. She picked the knit wheel. So she said to spin the WIP wheel of knits, and let's find a project we're going to work on. Are you ready? Are you ready? I hope this is right. There's one thing on here that I can't work on, and I'll explain why if it shows up, and then we'll just respin. And spin. Oh, very nice. Okay, so this is the 2 needle, 2 at a time socks. And I have, so what I did was I started a pair of socks that I went to a retreat and they were going to teach us how to knit on 2 needles at the same time. And I got my socks casted on and got through the toe, and that's as far as I got with it. So I'm struggling a little bit with learning how to handle it. So that'll be a really, really good project for me to work on. I need to watch some videos and practice on those. I'm super glad that that's the one that came up. So give me a second to go find that project and I'll show you what they look like. And here we are with the project. So see how we've got 2 sets of knitting needles at the same time. And I've got both toes cast on, and I have my yarn split up into 2 separate balls. I just took the full skein of yarn and just split it into 2 separate balls. So you have an end on each sock. So you're knitting 2 individual socks at the same time. And then there's some magic way. And the other trick, this is one of the tricks, one of the tips they told us, is to use 2 different kinds of needles, either 2 different sizes or 2 different styles or 2 different colors, so you could tell which one you were using at any given time. And I think that's going to be really important. So this is a really, really good choice for a knit project to work on, a knit WIP to work on. I'm super pleased with this. Thank you so much for Pinky. And here we go. Let's see how this works out. I'm very excited. So be looking for the next week's video where we'll be spinning the wheel for another project to work on. And if you guys want to get on that friends spin wheel, please just let me know. Leave a message in the comments. I'm super excited to get everybody on there that wants to play. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.